So I've unsealed this and we're going to have a look at what's inside the box. Okay, let's check what do we have here. Okay, it's kind of wow, special opening, and this is how the wallet looks like. Okay, it's round in shape, it's oval. SecuX V20, it's oval, it's metallic, strong. Okay, it's built to last. This is the power button, and this side is the micro USB port. Okay, and this is the screen, 2.8 inches touch screen. Right, let's keep this aside. Then let's see what else we have inside the box. We have the big treasure bag. I call this treasure bag because you put things like diamond, gold, ring inside stuff like this. So this treasure bag houses the USB cable, and V20 comes with Type-C cable instead of the normal micro USB cable. So it has Type-C cable, as you can see, which is awesome. This is the biggest, this is the best among the rest of the W20 and W10. Okay, V20 is better for me. Right, so we have the passphrase and hidden wallet guide. Okay, how to set up hidden wallet in here, and then we have the quick start guide. Okay, then we have the two recovery sheets. Right, 24 seed phrase. So highest version, the latest one. Okay, it features up to 1,000 cryptocurrencies. It has Bluetooth connection, and it uses the new modern Type-C USB cable. So quickly, I'm going to open it and set it up. I'll show you how to set it up. Okay, so this is the device itself. This is the device. As you can see here, it's round and oval in shape. So I'm going to plug it to my PC, take out the USB cable. Okay, I'll plug it to my PC and show you how to set it up. Alright, let's call this. So you take out this seal first. Okay, take out this seal. If you purchase this and it's not sealed, it means it has been tampered with. Okay, so make sure this seal is here. Okay, and then I will plug it into my PC. Okay, so it's booting now. Thank you for choosing SecuX, and as you can see on my PC, it has been detected. Go to wallet.secux.com to connect. So I'll go there and set up my wallet. Okay, you can see here you can connect via USB, you can connect via Bluetooth. So let's choose Bluetooth here. Let's see what we'll have here. Turn on Bluetooth to allow pairing. So I'll turn on my Bluetooth here. I'll turn on my system Bluetooth. Okay. Look for my Bluetooth settings and turn it on. Okay, so my Bluetooth is on. I'll go back to that page and connect via Bluetooth. So it's currently scanning for this device. Okay, currently scanning for this device, but before that I'll need to set up the device. So I'll set it up here. I'll set a pin, an unlock pin. Okay, and then set the device name Voski DC as the device name, and next. Okay, so I will set up, you either set up a new wallet or recover an existing wallet. So let's create a wallet. Okay, device will give you 24 recovery word for your SecuX wallet, and you need to write down these 24 recovery words in correct order. Okay, on the recovery sheet. Okay, this is the recovery sheet here. There are 24 in number 1 to 24. Okay, so you need to write it down and keep it safe. Okay, so I've been given these 24 recovery words, so I'm going to write it, each and every one of them down. Okay, write each of them down, and to be able to access my wallet. Okay, so going to take quite a while, but in 2 minutes it should be done. Okay. Setting up. Writing down this recovery phrase. You make sure you take your time to carefully write them accordingly. Okay. For example, word 1 should be word 1. Word 6 should be word 6. Don't interchange them. X, else you'll be logged out of your wallet again. Don't interchange the numbers. Make sure they are in correct order and they are arranged according to their numbers. It really matters. It's very important. So after writing them down, I'll need to confirm each word one after the other. So first word and second word. Okay, confirm word 4 maximum, word 5 pool, word 6 exist, and continue like that and so on until word 24. Okay, until word 24. Just carefully. This is why you need to write them down, because you'll be asked to confirm them. If you don't write it down immediately, you might make mistake while confirming it, and you need to start afresh. Okay, you need to start creating new recovery word phrase. You have to be very careful while doing this. So congratulations, my device is set successfully and ready to go. So I'll click on my account. Okay. So my device is set and I'm logged in to my account. So compatibility. Okay, I need to rescan. Let me scan. So okay, I need to on the Bluetooth first. Sorry, the Bluetooth is on, and as you can see on my screen here, it has detected my device. Okay, for compatibility. Okay, need to rescan. Let me scan. So okay, I need to on the Bluetooth first. Sorry, the Bluetooth is on, and as you can see on my screen here, it has detected my device. Okay, I'll click on it and pair. Okay, I'll pair my device. Now it's requesting for OTP. Okay, as you can see, it's requesting for OTP, and I input the OTP displayed on my wallet into the interface and then confirm. So I'm connected now. As you can see, I'm connected. Okay, so now I'm into my wallet now. I have access to my wallet. Okay, you can update your firmware. All right, and then you can as well send and receive your coin. You can start using your wallet, create an account. Okay, just like I showed on the W20 device itself, right? So it's just as simple as that. Simple as that. Okay, you can send here, you can receive. You'll be giving your address to receive your coin. Okay, and so that is it. All right. Okay, it also supports Binance Smart Chain. Okay, can receive Binance Smart Chain tokens here. Supports ERC20 tokens, okay, as well. Okay, Ethereum Smart Chain, Ethereum compatible tokens. Also support Tron, TRC10 and TRC20 tokens. So you can as well use the mobile device to connect to your wallet. Okay, at the same time, you can use the SecuX mobile app to connect your wallet. Okay, you just need to click on the connection icon here, and it will look for this device. Okay, to look for your wallet device, since your Bluetooth is on, to look for it, and you'll be able to access your wallet in the app. Okay, so I think I'll need to disconnect it here first before trying to connect it on my device. So in my previous video, I've shown you how to connect this to your wallet. So it's the same steps, it's the same everything. Okay, yes. Can as well use the mobile device to connect to your wallet. Okay, at the same time, you can use the SecuX mobile app to connect your wallet. Okay, you just need to click on the connection icon here, and it will look for this device. Okay, to look for your wallet device, since your Bluetooth is on, to look for it, and you'll be able to access your in the app. Okay, so I think I'll need to disconnect it here first before trying to connect it on my device. So in my previous video I've shown you how to connect this to your so it's the same steps, the same everything. Okay, yes.